Hi everyone, welcome back. I have a very quick and easy Cricut card for you today. I thought I'd go back old school and just do something really simple and show you the cuts on the mat. So the Cricut cartridge I'm using is the Smiley cards. It's a very cute guitar, but you'll see that more in a minute. I then am going to use some Stampin' Up! Melon, Mambo and Versafine Onyx black ink for some simple stamping, which I've got ready. I have some cardstock and I have the MFT All About You stamps and dies. I'm going to use the big U and the little rock, but there are some dies that come with it that are, I don't think this actually fits this, so I don't think it die cuts it. I'm not sure, I've not tried it yet, but it might. But these will die cut the word U, and then you can add any of these or a combination of these together. I've made quite a few cards I think with this. It's a nice stamp set. So I have a standard A2 size card. This is some pink cardstock I had on hand, so I've just prepped a card base. So this one measures 11 by 4 1/4, folded in half at 5 1/2. I then have a first layer, which is some black textured cardstock, and that is 4 by 5 1/4. And then this piece I believe is another 1/4 inch smaller, so it is 3 3/4 by 5. And this is some Stampin' Up! Blushing Bride, and then a green, I think this is about 1 1/2 inches. It's the same same company. It's a Papermania textured card, and if you hear noise, it's my cats. And I just thought this limey green worked really nicely with the pink. So I think the first thing we'll do is just take these off the mat. Now this is how I've cut them out. I used the Cricut Design Space and my Explore Air 2 to do this, and there's a way that you can, if you just make them all the pieces, if you ungroup them and then make them all the same colour on Design Space, you can then position them each layer on the mat. It'll have the same grid on the digital version, and that way you can then put your pieces of cardstock like you would an old Cricut, like a Expression or the Baby Bug. My cat's moaning. So I'm just going to get these off like so. And I used some Crafter's Companion temporary adhesive stick and spray, I think it's called, on the back, just to help hold my cardstock in place, because my mat's not sticky, as you can see. So I'm going to grab this Cricut spatula. You can't see that there, so I will put this, let's just do this as we go. Yep. Get some adhesive on there. Pretty easy to put together. Getting glue everywhere. These will line up. Gizmo may make an appearance, but he'll get stuck to the mat. Don't want you stuck to the mat, dude. This little piece is from the mouth, so you can just get rid of that. And then this little thing, I don't know anything about guitars. goes up here. And then these two little guys, I am going to just use a dot of wet adhesive, if it will come out. Just because they're smaller, so. And this pink is the same as the card base, and I think it's a raspberry. I think that was the name of the colour. There's way too much glue under there. Right, so there he is, or she is. Right. Don't stand on that. Anyway, so now we can start to put this together. So I have my black bit. You can't, oh, you can sort of see that there, so that's quite nice. And I'm going to stick this straight down. Onto here. Before I do anything else, I want to stamp, so let me bring you in a little closer. There you go, that's better. So I'm going to take the Melon Mambo, Stampin' Up! Ink, and my new favourite tool. It's the Positively Everything tool from Stampin' Up! I love it. So the Melon Mambo is the closest ink that I could find that would work with this pink. It's not the exact same pink because obviously it's a different company and different colour, but it's very similar. So I'm going to just put this here as a guide, just roughly. I just want it at a bit of an angle here, like so. And whenever you're stamping with like a dye ink, if you get sort of like not really good stamping, one, it could be what you're stamping onto, the surface you're stamping onto, obviously through the cardstock or on the cardstock, and two, it could be that you're not holding it on there long enough. Dye ink needs to soak into the paper, so yeah, it's just a tip. I'm okay with that because it's a rock kind of thing. And I think this will lighten up slightly as it dries, because this is a very juicy ink pad, I have to say. And then with my Versafine, I wanted to put the word rock in the middle. So you rock. Not sure if I like it. In my head it looked like it was going to be better than that. But we're going to go with it. We're just going to go with it, right? So now I'm just going to get this stuck on the base of my card. Like so, and I've just realised how squonk this piece is. Let's see if I can get this off. Note to self, if you're doing black on black, you can't see the lines. That's a bit better anyway. And it's me old eyes. They don't see it so well, you know. Anyway. So this I want to have on the edge of the pink but leaving that black there, and it gives just another illusion of where the cardstock is. If you have a bigger border, it'll have more impact, but I thought this would be cute. Cute. Whoops. On my desk. Nice. Nice. So and it goes all the way across the width of the card, and I like that because it's just this like acid green burst. So now we just need to pop this one up and we're done. Actually, we're not done, and I'll show you why in a minute. You rock. You rock, girlfriend. Okay, I can't pull that off, but this almost looks like a different colour, which not sure if I like, so maybe afterwards I'll die cut those pieces out and overlay it over the top, and then as well as the word rock. Yeah, it just looks not quite right there, so not totally happy with that, but I want to add just a couple of things to this guy on here, if I can find it. If I can't find it, we won't do it. Not that one. Right, this is a clear sparkle gel, a sparkle pen thing, and I thought it needs some sparkly cheeks and maybe a bit of sparkle up here. And then of course the glasses, why not? When that dries, it'll sparkle even more. Oh, with his mouth. And then one more thing. Sorry about all the mess. So this is a live not live, but it's a bit impromptu because I suddenly realised I haven't got a video for tomorrow. So yeah. These are the Hampton Art self-adhesive pink gems that came in the Simon Says stamp, January 2021, warmest wishes card kit. So I thought I'd actually chuck some of these. So we've got a whole bunch of different pinks in here, so I think when you've got different shades of the same colour, they still work together. So that's what I'm going to tell myself anyway. So I thought we could just add a couple of these on, and then we will be done. Don't want to do this. It's like I'm the new girl or something, seriously. So I think I might, just going to randomly do them, I think. that'll do. So there you go, guys. Not sure about this, but it's one idea that you can use random bits of cardstock that I just trimmed down. Cute little image, super easy. You do not need to do all the bling on it. Yeah, this is just one idea for a fun little You Rock card that doesn't have to be specifically Valentine's-y. So I hope you've enjoyed this, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Look at that sparkle. Awesome. See you soon, guys. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome back. What's this? Who knows? So, no, can't do it.